Are you an energy conscious homeowner? Do you have no idea about the principles behind net zero energy? If you answered yes to either of these questions, this video is going to explain why QuietCool is the #1 way to save energy in your home. So what exactly is a net zero home? A true net zero home is a home that produces as much clean energy as it consumes. As you can imagine, this is a very difficult feat. So how do you do it? California was the first state to get to net zero energy for new home construction. It took 30 years, but California was able to accomplish this in 2020 with their newest set of building codes. The rest of the country is striving to follow by 2030. California accomplished this through installing solar and other energy efficient appliances. The first thing that they did was add solar, as that is the best way to offset the energy usage in the home. But solar can accomplish the goal on its own. When homeowners have solar, they think they won't have an electricity bill, but once they move in, their lifestyle changes. Maybe they set the AC to a lower temperature, or maybe they'll leave an additional light on because they think, hey, I have solar so I don't have to worry about electricity anymore. The key is combining solar with other energy saving appliances and measures to reduce the overall energy consumption of the home and to allow the homeowner to live a more comfortable lifestyle while still maintaining a net zero energy home. The most expensive appliance to run in the home is the air conditioning, making up to 60 to 80% of the nation's electricity bill. This is where a whole house fan comes in. A whole house fan is the most efficient way to cut AC usage in the home. With the whole house fan, homeowners can save up to 90% off their energy usage while extending the life of their AC system since they don't have to run this as often. This allows builders and homeowners alike to put a smaller solar system on their homes, as well as help to ensure that the home stays net zero after you move in. So if you're thinking of putting solar in your home and want to stay in net zero, make sure you consider getting a whole house fan as it will cut down your energy consumption.